In this video, you'll learn how to add Google Pay as a payment method on Binance. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully linked your Google Pay account, allowing for seamless transactions on the platform. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payment Methods section. This can typically be found in your account settings or profile menu. After selecting this option, you will see the Payment Settings page, which displays all available payment methods. Take a moment to review this screen to familiarize yourself with the options presented. It is also essential to prepare your Google Pay information for the next steps. Next, locate and tap on the Add Payment Method button. This option is usually prominently displayed on the payment settings page. After you select this, you will be prompted to choose from the available payment methods. Select Google Pay from the list. Following this, you will need to enter the required details for your Google Pay account. Make sure to double check the accuracy of the information you provide. Once you confirm that everything is correct, proceed to submit your request. After submitting your request, a verification prompt will appear. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to complete this verification process. It may take a few moments for the confirmation to arrive, so please be patient. Once the verification is complete, ensure that Google Pay appears in your list of payment methods. This indicates that the setup has been successful. To confirm that everything is properly configured, it is advisable to conduct a test transaction using a small payment. This step will help you verify that Google Pay is functioning correctly within your Binance account. If the transaction goes through without issues, your setup is complete. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.